Hello, fellow boomers. For those of you who returned, good to see you back. For the new ones, welcome to our channel. Do you remember the first time you saw a computer? Perhaps it was in the 1960s when they filled entire rooms, or maybe in the 1980s when the first personal computers started appearing in homes and offices. You've witnessed an incredible journey, from rotary phones to smartphones, from typewriters to tablets. But today I'm going to take you on an even more extraordinary journey into the future of computing, where the possibilities are simply mind-boggling. So stay tuned as we embark on a remarkable journey. In the world of cutting-edge technology, El Capitan, the world's largest supercomputer, stands as a remarkable milestone, delivering unmatched processing power and efficiency. Capable of performing quintillions of calculations per second, El Capitan is poised to transform areas like climate modeling, drug discovery, and artificial intelligence. Adding to this technological revolution is Google's Willow quantum chip, a groundbreaking advancement in quantum computing that tackles complex problems beyond the reach of classical computers. As we explore the exciting realm of quantum computing, we'll uncover how these pioneering technologies are redefining computation and paving the way for new breakthroughs in scientific research and innovation, promising a future of incredible possibilities. But let's start with explaining in an understandable language what El Capitan is capable of. Imagine standing at the foot of El Capitan in Yosemite National Park. This majestic rock formation towers nearly 3,000 feet high, a testament to nature's grandeur. Now picture a computer so powerful that scientists named it El Capitan, and believe me, it lives up to that magnificent name. This isn't just any computer, it's currently the world's most powerful supercomputer, and its capabilities are as towering as its namesake. Let me put this into perspective for you. Remember your first calculator? Well, El Capitan can perform more calculations in 1 second than all the calculators ever made could do in 1,000 years. It's like having the entire population of the United States solving math problems simultaneously, but even faster. But what makes El Capitan so special? Inside this technological marvel are 2 million CPU cores. Think of these as individual brains, plus another 6 million specialized processors called GPU cores. Now, I know these numbers might sound abstract, so let's make it relatable. If your home computer is like a corner store, El Capitan is like having every store, in every mall, in every city across America, all working together on the same problem. Remember when weather forecasts were more like weather guesses? El Capitan can create such detailed weather models that it's like having a crystal ball that can peer weeks into the future. It analyzes millions of data points, temperature, wind patterns, ocean currents, and more, to give us the most accurate weather predictions we've ever had. Think about medicine for a moment. How many of us have experienced the frustration of trying different medications before finding one that works? El Capitan is helping scientists design new drugs by simulating how different compounds interact with diseases. Make sure you keep watching because we are going to talk about another level of computing. Let's discover something even more fascinating: quantum computers. Quantum computing is a new kind of super powerful computing that uses the strange rules of quantum physics to solve problems much faster than regular computers. It's like having a computer that can explore many possible answers at once, instead of one at a time. Remember the old TV show, Let's Make a Deal? Contestants had to choose between different doors, but they could only pick one at a time. Well, quantum computers are like being able to open all the doors at once. Google has created something called the Willow quantum chip, which uses 70 special components called qubits. In your regular computer, even in the mighty El Capitan, information is stored as either a 0 or a 1, like a light switch being either off or on. But qubits are different. They can be both 0 and 1 at the same time. Let me give you a practical example. Imagine you're planning a big family reunion. You've got relatives spread across the country, each with their own schedules and preferences. With a regular computer, you'd have to check each possible date one at a time, like flipping through a calendar page by page. But a quantum computer could look at all possible dates simultaneously. And Google isn't alone in this quantum race. China has recently developed a chip with 504 qubits. This international competition reminds me of the space race of the 1960s. But instead of reaching for the moon, we're reaching for computing power that was once thought impossible. Now, before diving into practical applications, let's examine reality. How long will it take to achieve a fully stable, working quantum computer? Well, the answer lies somewhere between optimism and the realities of scientific progress. With Google's Willow chip making strides in qubit efficiency and China's groundbreaking 504-qubit superconducting chip pushing the boundaries, we are seeing exciting advancements. However, the journey is far from over. Quantum computers still face significant challenges, such as maintaining qubit stability and reducing error rates during computations. Many experts believe we are at least 10 to 20 years away from achieving a truly reliable, large-scale quantum computer. Other experts believe it will be achieved faster. That said, the pace of development is accelerating, and with global investments and fierce competition, breakthroughs could come sooner than expected. It's a thrilling race to the future, and we're all spectators to this technological revolution. This global competition is about more than just speed. It's about power and security. Right now, most of our online data, emails, bank accounts, health records, is protected using encryption. But quantum computers are so powerful, they would potentially crack these codes as easily as you might solve a newspaper word jumble. Don't worry though. Right now, scientists are already developing new security methods that even quantum computers won't be able to break. Let's examine the practical use of these powerful computers by going through various examples. Quantum computers could help design more efficient solar panels by simulating exactly how sunlight interacts with different materials at the atomic level. They could optimize the power grid to reduce energy waste and design better batteries for electric cars. Think about climate change, something that affects all of us, and especially our grandchildren's future. Quantum computers could help design more efficient solar panels by simulating exactly how sunlight interacts with different materials at the atomic level. They could optimize energy systems to reduce energy waste and even help find ways to remove carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. Speaking of transportation, remember how getting directions used to mean unfolding a paper map that never seemed to fold back properly? Then GPS devices came along and changed everything. Well, quantum computers could revolutionize transportation again by calculating the absolute best routes for not just one car, but for every vehicle in a city, all in real time. Imagine traffic jams becoming a thing of the past, just like those paper maps. Another example regarding transportation. Envision airlines trying to schedule thousands of flights every day. They need to figure out routes, fuel costs, and weather conditions. A classical computer takes forever to optimize these variables. Quantum computers can solve these challenges instantly. Now, I should mention that working with quantum computers isn't easy. These machines are incredibly sensitive. They need to be kept colder than the darkest reaches of outer space. It's like trying to have a conversation in a library, but the slightest whisper from anywhere in the universe could disrupt everything. Scientists have to cool these computers to temperatures near absolute zero, which is about minus 460 degrees Fahrenheit. That's so cold that even atoms almost stop moving. Despite these challenges, the future of quantum computing is bright and full of possibilities. So why should you care? These technologies will impact every part of your life, from the security of your online data to how we fight diseases, reduce energy bills, and explore the universe. Quantum computing and supercomputers like Capitan will shape the future our children and grandchildren live in. Just like the internet changed everything in the 1990s, quantum technology will redefine what's possible, and it's happening faster than you think. If you enjoyed learning about the fascinating world of supercomputers and quantum computing, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Share it with anyone curious about the future of technology, and let us know in the comments. What do you think quantum computers will solve first? Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. The future is here, and it's quantum.